Back to the past and around ya. Watch out. Back to the past and around ya. And on we'll go.
What's up YouTube? So today's video would be going to be on a short challenge for which you will be requiring just an egg. So what you have to do is you have to break this egg. But the challenge is you have to break with the technique which I am showing to you here. So what we are doing is we have to keep the heads of the egg at the center of the palms like this. So both the heads of the egg would lie on the center of our palms like this. From here we have to try to press the egg and break it. So you can also clasp your fingers like this and then try to put more efforts into it so that you can break the egg like this. So here's my attempt. Let's see whether I will be able to break this egg or not. So you can see my muscles popping out. You can see my effort, how much effort I'm putting into it. But still I'm unable to do it. Still the egg is here only. I'm pressing it as hard as I can. Come on, come on. Again you can see the pump in my muscles, but still.
Watch out. Back to the past and around ya. Watch out.
So at least 45 seconds I put my effort to break this egg, but still I didn't manage to break it. So here's my challenge to you, whether you can break it or not. Do try this and comment below whether you broke the egg or the egg broke you. So here's one more challenge for you. You have to break this egg using your biceps. So what you have to do is you have to place the egg in between the elbows here so that you can compress it using your biceps. But here the rule is you have to keep the wrist in the supinated position. You cannot bring the wrist into a neutral position like this. You have to always keep in the supinated position and then curl from here. So my rule would be you can't do like this. You have to stay here in the normal bicep curl position, and then you have to squeeze it as hard as you can like this. And one more rule is you can't use the support of the other arm so as to flex your elbows to a greater extent. You have to use only your one arm and then you have to break the egg here like this.
Watch out. Back to the past and around ya. Watch out.
This isn't easy at all. The problem is the egg is slipping from the place. Here's my attempt using my left arm.
Watch out. Back to the past and around ya. Back to the past and around ya. Watch out. Back to the past and around ya. Watch out. Back to the past and around ya. Back to the past and around ya. Watch out.
Not possible. Still I am unable to do it. So I am switching this egg with another egg so that maybe that's some egg defect. Let's try with the new egg.
To the past and around ya. Watch out.
Do try these challenges and comment below how it goes for you. It looks easy, but when you try it, you will know the real deal with this. And we will meet in the next video.
Back to the past and around ya. Watch out. Back to the past. gas and alright, jack, 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 jack. Gotta get back to the gas and alright, jack. Watch out.